So one of my favorite things about this is this. Apple Pencil support. I mean, I love taking notes on this. I love drawing on this. But there's one thing that I don't really like about drawing on this or taking notes is that it doesn't really feel like paper. I mean, it doesn't feel right. The company that actually sent this to me actually believes that it can change that. It can change the problem that I have about, I just reached my move goal, by the way. Boom, shabam, shabam. Anyways, so yeah, this company says that it can actually avoid that. It can actually fix that. Do we have anything else inside of the box? No. So this company is called Paper-like. So anyways, what do we have on the box? We actually have quite some stuff on the box. Let's put all of them right here. And there we go. We have a paper that says the paper feeling. Sketch like on paper, write notes, meeting notes, or simply collecting thoughts. Annotate on PDF documents. I love this. I love how they did this, and then in the back there's instructions. So anyways, what the heck am I reviewing today? Well, it's basically this thing right here. It is basically a screen protector for your iPad that will actually feel like you're writing on paper. So that's what the company says. So is that true? Well, we're gonna check it out on this video. I like everything about it. Alright, let's go ahead and try it out. Let's go ahead and try it out for the first time. Is this actually going to work, or is it just pure marketing? I'm scared. No, let's go ahead and try it out. Whoa. What? Wait, that is so weird. Hold on a second. Hold on, because I'm freaking out. What? Guys, I'm not even kidding with you. Just listen to this. Hold on. Let me put it on the microphone. Listen to that. I mean, it even listens. It even, look, this is without it. This is just an iPhone. You don't hear anything, right? And then listen to this. First of all, the sound, it actually sounds like paper. But once you actually write, I mean, I just wish you guys could just grab the Apple Pencil and you write on it. I wish I could just show you. This is insane. So for those of you who like to take notes in school, or for those of you who like illustrating, this is amazing. And also, another thing that I hate about drawing on the iPad is me doing this. It feels like flimsy, but with this, just listen to it. You can just move around and it's smooth. It's really smooth, and now this is amazing. So yeah, guys, that's pretty much it for this video. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. I didn't really want to make this video too long. I literally wanted to try it out. To be honest, my hopes weren't this high. I thought it'd just be, honestly, I thought it would only be like a matte screen protector and that it would act like paper, but no, this seriously feels like paper. So yeah, guys, if you guys want to get yourself a paper-like screen protector, of course, I will link it down below, so don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and all that good stuff, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.